Hi guys, this is Radhika Rawat and welcome back to my new video. So today's video is very interesting. Actually, it is all about money and money talks, and ladies listen carefully. Let's go for a shopping. If you are a housewife, so definitely you know the real value of money. Yes, now winter had begun, and we all ladies might be tempted to buy something new collection of winter kurtis and new matching sandals. Yes, if I talk about me, so I too love shopping for new dresses. But there is a big concern, money. Always, I think money is a very big concern. And for money, we just turn to our husbands because they can cover all the expenses and fulfill our all dreams. Yes, and this poor fellow just work hard to meet their family's never-ending demands. I just still remembered, vividly remembered my college days friends. Okay, when my father wanted me to pursue nursing, but due to my impulsive decision, I just dropped that idea and followed my friends. Okay, into different fields. But today, today my all friends, those friends actually just associated or hold with new opportunities, with government jobs. And today I think that how stupid I was, how foolish I was. Yes, and today just I find myself I am kneading the dough at home and rolling the chapatis. So dear daughters, please, just don't waste your time. Time is very useful, very precious, and use it wisely and productively. You can learn from my mistake. I missed that chance, back then, my chance back then. So please stay positive, stay determined, stay goal oriented. And I think this is a perfect time to do meaningful something in your life. Yes, and money is a big concern. Yes, no one can pursue their dream because of lack of money. Okay, money is not everything, but it certainly makes our life easier. Yes, so money cannot buy happiness, but if you have money and you are financially well off, so you can chase your goal, you can accomplish your goal, you can travel all around, you can explore different countries, different states, okay, cuisine also. So I think money is an inevitable part of human life. Okay, if anybody have dream to pursue something high education, I think abroad, so financially flexibility or financially backup plans is needed. Okay, because money plays a crucial role in our life. Okay, if you are financially well off, so definitely people will chase you. And money always decides in which school your kids are studying, in which hotel you are eating, in which locality, and locality in society just you are living. Okay, so many of decisions are financially based. Yes, if you are financially well off, so everyone wants to be your friend. Even your relatives, your friends, I think they will turn to you when they are in dire need of help. Okay, so yes, money is very important to lead luxurious life, but I think it is right to some extent. Actually, money gives us freedom, comfort, okay, and security also. But it is not guarantee of emotionally fulfillment and lasting joy. Okay, so now these days, because of lack of or issues, lack of money and financial issues, a lot of relationship ended, and it is a bitter truth of our society. If you are financially well off, so people will, I think, give you respect. Otherwise, nobody is going to ask you that how are you. Yes, so as well, everyone has dreams to buy something like a big house, a big bungalow, big car, everyone. But for getting all this, we need to do hard work. Okay, if we are determined, if we are, goal oriented, so definitely we will get everything. Not in a hurry, but yes, after some time we will see that now we are improving, we are getting everything whatever we want in our life. Okay, but at first we need to be adamant for our goals, and we need to be, I think, focused on our goal. So yes, friends, if you like my videos, and my channel name is English with Radhika Rawat, you can follow me on YouTube, and there are more than 40 videos over there. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.